Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading. On the application of Duolingo, you will go to settings. Here on this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo app. If you find updates, then you will update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your